Good evening, children. Today I am here to discuss chapter 11 SST class 5 Japan, the country of islands. The first half I already discussed with you, and today the second portion I will discuss. Before that, I want to suggest you that you please keep your atlas beside your book while I am teaching and concentrate your mind too. Okay. Now, before I discussed that Japan is surrounded by the sea on all sides, and the climate is very moderate, neither too cold, neither too hot, and the warm current passes through Kuroshio, and this warm current never allows the climate to become cold. So this much we read in the previous class. The rainy season in Japan begins usually in early June and ends in mid-July. Now this rainy season, it starts from June and it ends in the mid-July. जून में शुरू होता है रेनी सीजन और जुलाई के अंदर बीच में ख़त्म हो जाता है. The vapory clouds are obstructed by the mountains and cause हेवी रेनफॉल इन द रीजन. ये वेपरी क्लाउड्स जो है इसके वजह से बहुत रेनफॉल होता है इसी रीजन में. In August and September, violent thunderstorms and typhoons occur frequently. और अगस्त और सितंबर में बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली थंडरस्टॉर्म्स और टाइफून्स भी होता है. जैसे हम लोग का थंडरस्टॉर्म्स होता है, बिजली चमकता है, बारिश होता है, उसी की तरह उधर भी ऐसे ही होता है. और इतना होता है, these are very harmful as they cause floods in rivers, destroy crops and take human lives. Now see, these thunderstorms and typhoons, the harmful reaction is that it floods the river is flooded and the crops are destroyed and the human lives also taken. तो आदमी लोग भी मर जाते हैं, क्रॉप्स डैमेज हो जाता है और बिजली चमकता है, रिवर्स फ्लडेड होता है, ऐसे सब कुछ बहुत हार्मफुल होता है, बहुत कुछ डैमेज होता है. नाउ दिस जापान इज़ हॉट एंड वेट इन समर में भी हॉट और वेट दोनों ही रहता है. नॉर्दर्न जापान हैज़ शॉर्ट बट वार्म winters. Now this northern Japan, they has short but warm summers इतना लेंदी नहीं है, शॉर्ट है लेकिन शॉर्ट है बट वार्म है, गर्मी है. ऑन द ईस्टर्न कोस्ट एंड द समर्स आर वेटर दैन द विंटर्स. और ईस्टर्न कोस्ट में समर्स बहुत वेटर होता है विंटर से ज़्यादा. However, in central and southern Japan, summers are very warm. और सेंट्रल और साउदर्न मोस्ट जापान में ये समर्स बहुत गर्म होता है. बट एक्सेसिवली हॉट डेज आर रेयर. लेकिन ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं होता है जापान में. In winter, in northern Japan, particularly Hokkaido, there is a heavy rainfall. तो विंटर में होक्काइडो में बहुत रेनफॉल होता है, बारिश होता है. In winter, the northern Japan, particularly Hokkaido, there is a heavy rainfall. So you understand, I hope, there is a heavy rainfall in Hokkaido in this winter season. There is in the south of the Honshu, Shikoku and Kyushu, winters are mild. Now in the southern Japan, there is Honshu, there is Shikoku and there is Kyushu. These three regions winters are very mild. इतना ज़्यादा winter ज़्यादा ठंडा नहीं होता है. There is a lot rainfall during the time. Snow and frost are very rare. और बहुत rainfall होता है और snow और frost इतना ज़्यादा नहीं मिलता है. So you already know that 80% of Japan's land area consists of mountains. As we read earlier that 80% of the Japan's land, it is covered by the mountains. Now the means only 20% of the country's land surface is plain, so rest 20% it is the plain land, and about 12 crore Japanese live on this plain land. Now 80% of the Japan country it is covered by the mountains, and 20% left it is the plain area, and in this plain area 12 crore people, 12 crore Japanese, they used to stay in this plain area, and above 12 within this 12 crore, in the 50% of them lives in towns and cities, while the other rest lives in villages. Now half of the 12 crores they are living in the cities and towns, and the rest they are living in the villages. Moreover, due to the scarcity of level land, only about 6 million hectares of land are cultivated. Now, what is the measurement of the area? What is the measurement of that land that is cultivated? Only 6 million hectares of land are cultivated. It is not at all sufficient for all the Japanese, isn't it? दिस इज़ क्लियरली नॉट एनफ. सो अभी हम बोला है ये एनफ नहीं है. इतना 12 करोड़ पीपल जापानीज़ के लिए ये काफ़ी नहीं है. So the Japanese people make terraced fields in the mountain slopes and cultivated crops there is well. Now what the Japanese people used to do, they just cultivate on the terrace fields, that means in the mountains areas, okay, and cultivated crops there as well. तो ये ज़्यादा ये कितना है लैंड है, 6 मिलियन हेक्टर्स लैंड है कल्टीवेट करने के लिए, लेकिन ये सफिशिएंट नहीं है 12 करोड़ का जापानीज़ के लिए. तो जापानीज़ लोग क्या करते हैं, वो लोग टेरेस फार्मिंग्स भी करते हैं, और ये इसमें कल्टीवेशन मतलब इसमें फार्मिंग भी ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. In general, they use the most modern machines in agriculture. एग्रीकल्चर में मॉडर्न मशीन्स भी यूज़ किया जाता है. And although they mostly use human feces as manure, now they are having begun using decaying fish too for the same purpose. Now, previously the Japanese people they used the waste products of the human being as manure, and now they are using the decaying fish as the manure. The main crop is grown paddy. Now, what is the main crop of Japan? That is paddy. But in some parts, wheat, barley, potatoes, sugar beet and tobacco are grown too. Now, in some parts of the other parts of this Japan country, the sugar cane, barley, potatoes, wheat and tobacco, they are also grown over there. ये सब भी होता है. On the mountain slopes, tea is grown. Mountain slopes में tea grown होता है, चाय होता है. Some fruits like oranges, pears, grapes, plum, peach are also grown. Now, what type of fruits are found in Japan? These orange, pear, grape, plum and peach. Some people rear cattle and practice modern dairy farming methods. Now, some Japanese, they used to rear cattle and they are also practicing modern dairy farming too, and in the farming methods. So, children, today we are up to this. Again, in the next class, we will discuss the last portion of the chapter. Before closing this chapter, I am telling you repeatedly, I am requesting you repeatedly, please go through the chapter 10 times, learn the hard spellings also, and if you can't follow, then please write your comment in the comment box so that I will be able to understand. Who didn't understand, I will definitely I will help him or her one again and again. Okay, so learn the chapter, read the chapter 10 times, as well as watching their atlas also. Okay, thank you.